The magic of Farmer Joe's garden. Meet Farmer Joe. He lives in a small house with a big, green garden. Joe loves plants more than anything. Every weekend, her young neighbors come over to learn how to grow healthy food and play in the dirt. First, they see the carrots. Joe shows the kids the long green leaves. The best part is hidden underground, he says. They pull one up, and it is bright orange and very crunchy. Next are the tomatoes. These plants grow tall on wooden stakes. The fruits are round, red, and very juicy. Joe tells the kids that tomatoes love the warm sunshine to turn sweet. Look at the broccoli. These look like tiny, dark green trees. Joe explains that we eat the flowers of this plant before they bloom. It is a superfood that makes you very strong. Here is the corn. The stalks are much taller than the children. Joe pulls back the green husks to show the yellow kernels. This is perfect for a summer picnic, he says with a smile. Beside the corn is the potato patch. Just like carrots, potatoes grow under the soil. Joe uses a small shovel to dig them up. We can make mahed potatoes or fries with these. The cucumbers grow on long vines on the ground. They are long, green, and feel bumpy. Joe says they are mostly made of water, which makes them very refreshing on a hot day. Next, they find the bell peppers. These come in many bright colors like red, yellow, and green. They are crunchy and sweet. They look like colorful lanterns, says one of the kids. The lettuce grows in soft, leafy clumps. It feels very smooth. Joe explains that lettuce grows very fast. We use these big leaves to make a fresh, green salad for lunch. Look at the big pumpkins. They are heavy and round. Joe tells the kids that these will be ready in the autumn. They start as small seeds and grow into giant orange balls. Here are the onions. They have long, thin green tops. Joe warns the kids that cutting onions might make them cry, but they make every soup taste much better. The peas grow in thin, green pods. Joe lets the kids pop the pods open. Inside are small, round green balls. They taste very sweet, just like candy from the garden. This is the eggplant. It is a beautiful dark purple color and very shiny. Joe shows them how smooth the skin feels. It is as pretty as a flower, but it is a vegetable. Next are the spinach leaves. They are dark green and very soft. Joe tells the children that eating spinach helps their muscles grow. The kids pretend to be very strong. The green beans hang from small bues. They are long and skinny. Joe shows the kids how to snap them in half. Snap. It is a very fun sound to hear in the quiet garden. Look at the radihés. They are small, round, and bright red with white insides. Joe says they grow very quickly. They have a little bit of a spicy zing when you bite them. The cabbage looks like a giant ball of leaves. It is very heavy and hard. Joe explains that the leaves are packed very tightly together to stay protected and cool. Here is the zucchini. It looks like a big cucumber, but it is different. Joe says you can even bake it into bread. The plant has very large, fuzzy leaves and yellow flowers. Now look at the chili. These small peppers are bright red and very pointy. Joe tells the kids to be careful. These are very spicy, she warns. They add a hot kick to our favorite meals. Finally, they see the garlic. It grows underground in a white bulb. Joe explains that garlic smells very strong. It keeps us healthy and makes the whole kitchen smell great. The sun begins to set. The kids thank Farmer Joe for the tour. His garden is a magical place where food and flowers grow together. They can't wait to come back next weekend to see what blooms next.